Hello everyone! Which country are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments below. Today, I'm making a refreshing mango passion fruit sauce with only 4 simple ingredients: ripe mangoes, passion fruit, kumquats, and rock sugar. First, peel the mangoes. Cut them into small pieces. Blend some of the mangoes until smooth. This helps create a thicker sauce and a richer mango flavor. Scoop out the passion fruit pulp. Squeeze the kumquats. Remove the seeds. Place all the ingredients into a large bowl. Mix everything well. Stir gently until the fruit and rock sugar are combined. Cover the bowl. Place it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for 2 to 4 hours, or leave it overnight. Once the rock sugar has completely dissolved, the fruits will release more natural juice, and the flavors will blend together beautifully. Now the sauce is ready to enjoy. You can divide it into small containers and store them in the freezer. This will help keep the sauce fresh for a longer time. The sauce is naturally sweet, lightly tangy, and incredibly refreshing. It's perfect for yogurt, ice cream, cakes, fruit tea, or sparkling drinks. Fresh fruits provide vitamin C and natural antioxidants. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.